Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to automatically close Safari tabs. And to do this, basically all you have to do is go to Safari right here, then click on settings. And after that, as you can see, you have your general and tab settings. So on the tabs, you can do an automatically open pages and tabs instead of windows. But on general, you can choose that you want to remove your history item. So after 1 year, manually, after 1 month, 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 day. So you can choose manually after 1 year or month. Also, you can remove download list items after 1 day. And as you can see, are you sure you want to remove history item after 1 year? So it's that much of the items will be immediately removed. For me, you cannot undo this action, so be careful about that. I'm just gonna go and click on 1 year. Oh, so it doesn't let me now. Basically, that's how you do this. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.